All right, everyone, we are going to take a look at GFAL, games for a living here. So games for a living, if you can see here, this squiggly line did not play out. You can see that our green box held for support here. So GFAL to the moon, I guess. So we're going to move all this stuff out of the way, get rid of this red box here. That was the wrong thing. But ultimately, you can see how from the high to the low here, all of these little levels here, the 1272 at 31, we are sitting now on the 1618 at 34, how they act as these support and resistance levels almost to a T sometimes. So we are sitting on support at the 34 level here. What we need to do now is adjust our larger fib to the new high off of that wick, which does look bearish, by the way. We're going to get this smaller one off of the chart. So we are sitting on a 1618. And yet again, I got the wrong one. So there we go. And we're just going to keep it real simple here on Games for a Living. You can see that from the low to the new high. As long as you stay above the 3-2 level here, you still have a shot at going higher. So you can drop potentially about 6.5–7%. And like I said, if you hold that, you're still bullish, and potentially you could drop down to your 382 at 28 for a 17, almost 18% move. You can see where all this resistance is now turns support. So potentially, if you're going to be bearish and have a little retracement here, then you could see the 382 down here and then do something like that. Or of course, that could be your top, and you could come down here and do something like this and retrace even deeper. That is a possibility. But as of right now, the momentum is clearly up. It looks good. Games for a living here. I do think it's going to make a good trade here in the next bull run. So not financial advice, but load up while you can. Yeah, you can see that from this low to this high, you're sitting right on your 236 at 34, and your 382 is right here at that 236. So there's a lot of confluence with these levels here. So keep an eye on those support levels. And if you are going to break out over the high here at 38, we could potentially get a price to watch here. Let me zoom. We're just going to go from that one that we had on the chart here. So from that high to the low will give us a couple of prices to watch. If we break the high at 38, you could see that we have the 2272, the 2618. So if you can manage from this support you're on now to come back up to the high about 11–12%, break over that, your next stop is going to be 4 pennies for a 16.5% move. Then the 2618 here at 4.3 for a potential 25% move. And then of course the 3618 all the way up here at 5 cents would be about a 50% move for GFAL here. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Watch those support levels, watch those resistance levels, and we'll see if this thing continues to be bullish and pushing higher here on Games for a Living. So good luck, everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.